Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I just got my brand new Sawgrass SG printer, which we're gonna be unboxing for you right now. All right, now the first thing we see here at the top of our box is our installation kit. So we're gonna go ahead and move this over to the side for just a second. That has all of our important materials in there. We also have, right here, we also have our instruction manual, looks like our safety information. So this is gonna be our instruction manual and user guide. We're also gonna put that to the side, and we're ready to get into the good stuff. We have our brand new Sawgrass SG printer in here. So I'm gonna slide this box over. Okay, now actually, before we grab it in, there's one more thing. You're gonna wanna reach into the sides on either side. We have all of our cables. This is our power and USB cable, and I'm just gonna reach in to make sure there's nothing else that we're missing. Gonna take out these protective pieces of styrofoam. Just gonna lay those out to the side. And this is gonna allow me to get a better grip on the printer itself. So you're gonna wanna grab the printer from the bottom, pull it out, and very carefully, we're gonna set it right here. Looking in the box, there's nothing else that's important in there, so we're just gonna move the box over. All right, so you can see here that we have this in its protective plastic bag. There's some tape here. You could rip it off, or if you're very careful, like me, you can just cut it with a pair of scissors. Just keep in mind, be safe. You don't want to actually, cut up your printer. And this bag here just comes open like that. So we're gonna carefully lift this, and we're gonna move that plastic out of the way. And here you go. Okay, I'm gonna scoop my printer over for just a second, and we're gonna see what's in the bag and our installation kit. Place that over. Again, this is taped shut, so we're just gonna get our trusty scissors very carefully. Just open this up. Some of you guys are into just ripping the bags open. That's cool too. There we go. So first here, we're gonna see our power cable. You can go ahead and open this up here. Now, one thing I love is they include the right angle power cable, which if you're like kind of OCD like me and you like all your cables nice and neat, trust me, that right angle, it makes a huge difference. We're gonna put that right there. And next we have our USB cable. So we're just gonna take this out. This is, of course, what you need to connect directly to your computer. What's great about the Sawgrass new SG series printers is that you kind of don't need this just yet. I think you do need it for your basic install, but remember, this is a Wi-Fi enabled printer. So for those of you who do enjoy staying hardwired in, that's cool, but you can also set this up to be on your Wi-Fi network, so you can print wirelessly anywhere, so that's really cool. Then of course we have the safety information and user guide, and I'll go ahead and pull this out. Now, in case you don't have, I guess this is for everybody who doesn't have a video, they can just use this here. This is gonna have all the technical information and everything else you need for your Sawgrass printer. So we're just gonna put that right there. And then next we have our installation kit. So we're gonna move these a little bit here. Our installation kit, this is gonna have our inks in here, and you can see here there's some pictures on here as a graph. Of course, we're gonna have our setup video that you can also watch, but this is gonna have all your information here. And you can see here we have our black sublimation ink, yellow, magenta, and cyan. So you're gonna have everything you need right here. It all comes in the box, everything you need to get started with your brand new Sawgrass SG printer. And this box, you can refer to this if you like, so I'm not gonna toss this box just yet. We're just gonna put it over here to the side. And this is everything that's gonna come inside the box with your brand new Sawgrass SG printer. Now, this is the Sawgrass SG500. The 1000 is gonna be exactly the same. It's just gonna be a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's gonna do it for our unboxing video of the brand new Sawgrass SG printer. We have lots of other videos on how to install everything, get your printer set up, and what you can make with your new sublimation printer. For all of that, check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/heatpressnation. If you have any questions at all about this or any of our other products, feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894, or you can visit us at heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.